Joe's Fun World! Today I got to do an experiment which is called Lava Lamp. Lava Lamp is an interesting experiment. And for this you need oil, water, salt, and UV light and coloring. Glowing color. So the first
glowing powder.
Glowing powder. So the first thing you have to do is put some oil. See what happens? The oil doesn't go to the bottom, it goes to the top. And there's also bubbles in the oil. If it looks like this, it's not nicely. If it looks like this, it's nicely. Yeah. Water is heavier than oil. Salt is heavier than water. Okay, I can now put the powder.
Huh?
Now we're going to turn off the light to see the bowl with it. I see purple sand. Bye! See you on the next video and also see all of my videos. Bye! Okay, I put oil. I gotta put oil. Okay, I now putting oil. I gotta put oil. So I gotta put oil.